let's talk about obtuse angles and exact values. So we have this rule right here. It tells us that for supplementary angles, theta and 180 minus theta. So just note that these are supplementary, okay? Cos theta equals to minus cos 180 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to sin 180 minus theta. And tan theta equals to negative tan 180 minus theta. So if you don't understand what this rule means from the glance of it, I'll explain it. So let's say you had like cos 45 degrees, right? This is going to be equal to negative cos and the supplementary angle of 45. So 45 plus 135 equals to 180, because that's what it means to be supplementary, right? If it adds up to 180. And so the supplementary angle for 45 is 135. Okay, so if you type this in the calculator, right, cos 45 and negative cos 135, you should get the same answer. Alright, so here we're asked to choose an obtuse angle to complete each statement. So here we have sine 30 is equal to sine what? And I'm obviously going to be using this one. So you want to find the supplementary angle to 30 degrees, which is 150. Okay, so here we have cos 57, and the supplementary angle to 57 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, the last one, 81 degrees, that's going to be 99 degrees. So just remember, you just find the supplementary angle to whatever's here. Alright, so let's talk about exact values. So there's two triangles you can use to find the exact values for angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. And I'll be showing you what those triangles look like. Also, a good thing to note is that you do have to remember these triangles, okay? The way I remembered it is by drawing them constantly. I feel like this one's more easier to remember, to be honest. And the triangles are not too bad to remember, but yeah, just try your best. So we have this question where it asks us to find the exact value of each of the following, called 60 degrees. So to do this, right, you want to look at the triangle with 60 degrees, and it's going to be this one. Okay. Now, in this triangle, cos 60 degrees is the adjacent, so 1, over hypotenuse, which is 2. And so cos 160 is just half. Okay, that's simple. Now this one's a bit not as clear because here we have sine 150, and I see none of these triangles using 150. But what I do know is that sine 150 degrees is the same as sine and its supplementary angle to this. So that's going to be 30 degrees. And what do I know? There's 30 degrees here in this triangle. And so sine 30 in this triangle is opposite, so 1, and hypotenuse, which is 2. So this is equal to half. Alright, let's look at tan 135. So tan 135, you'll notice that there's no 135 degrees in this, but I can change this into negative tan, and the supplementary angle to 135 is 45 degrees. Okay. And there is a 45 degrees in this triangle, and so tan 45 degrees, if you look at this, is just opposite over adjacent. Now you can use any of these angles, okay, they're fine. So let's just say I use this one, right? So opposite over adjacent, that's just 1 over 1, which is just 1. So this is equal to negative 1. And yeah, that's it for the video.